So here's the latest story on the sidewall split that's opened up here on my Hankook Tire. If we measure the actual depth of it, so it's nearly a centimeter deep that it goes into the tire, and the tread depth on the tires, which I don't have batteries in this thing to get a USA reading on here, standard reading, but my tread depth, I mean that's over ½ inch, and the tire only comes with 19/32 original tread on it, so very low miles on it, but you can really see how it's kind of distorted here, and just have that gaping hole in it, and the cracking going on. See the, oh, I'm kind of in the shade here. Come around and loop. So what Hankook has said they're going to do, and I've actually recorded the phone conversation with them, because this is a steer tire and they cannot locate somebody in the local area here in St. Augustine, Florida, that can get the same tire for me. So as a goodwill replacement, they're going to pay 100% of the cost of the opposite tire, so that I have they're going to pay for a different brand of tires. So I'm going to get 2 new front tires, and they're going to pay 100% for the one, and then the other one they're going to base it off of the amount of tread wear, which it originally came with 19/32, and I'm probably maybe 16/32, so it's pretty good. He was thinking 70-80%, so they'll actually measure it at the tire store here this morning, but he's already approved the tire store to buy it. Unfortunately, I have to pay out of pocket for the tires, so I'm getting 2 Toyos, about $1,000 bucks, a little over $1,000 mounted, balanced, because I paid to have these balanced and everything too. But yeah, see, this one's got no cracking, and it looks great. They both have the same date code. The date code is 9/14, which makes it over 4 years, but it's less than 4 years since I bought them. And I had the conversation with them because they were telling me they would do 4 years from the date of manufacture, and I informed them that they would never sell a set of tires that were more than a month old if they didn't honor it from the date of purchase. So we'll see how this Hankook thing works out in the end. Go from there.